Today, I'm going to show you how to log into your Padlet account with the new Pomona Schools and account, and also to make Padlets and copy Padlets into yours so that you can do brainstorms. If you just go and search for Padlet in your URL bar, it's going to come up with the regular Padlet, and it's going to want you to sign up for an account, and then you don't have access to everything. So you don't want to do that. The easiest way is for you to go and click on Online Tools, and then to go ahead and click this Padlet button, and then it will send you to here. And you'll know that you're in the right place because they'll say log into Pomona High School. Once you log in, it'll look like this. And you have a couple options. You can make a Padlet, so I might ask you to make your own, maybe for yourself or share it with another student. And there's templates. I probably will tell you what template to use. And then you also might use one of these templates down here. The other option is I might ask you to join a Padlet, and you could click here and I would give you the URL to paste in there. The third thing that might happen is I might create a template and share it with everyone in our little Padlet community. And what you do, it's really easy. You click on the template and it's already set up, ready to go. You click remake right here, and then you'll rename it. You'll put your name up here, and you'll click copy design, and you also want to copy the posts. And so then you'll click submit, and it'll remake really quickly that Padlet, and it'll have everything you need, and then you're ready to go. And then when you're all done, you can just share it with me and turn it in so that I can see your brainstorming. So really easy way to use Padlet, and we can do all sorts of brainstorms and stuff. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions.